Infrahub is our source of truth, what we consider to be the desired state of everything that is inventoried within it. This is the entry point for any new service creation and the authoritative source of information for the entire infrastructure. Eurofiber Cloud Infra is the cloud part of a much bigger company, which is Eurofiber. It's a network provider, but also a data center operator, as well as a private cloud provider. We offer various solutions, such as infrastructure as a service, virtualization, containers orchestration, storage, network, data center, so on. The typical case in the deployment is one or more virtual machines, which we internally refer to as a platform. So it will start with the creation of a branch, and then we create this platform in Infrahub, if it does not exist yet, add the virtual machines and all the necessary information. It is then reviewed by someone else, and if everything is okay, it is merged, and this triggers a CI/CD pipeline on our GitLab using a webhook. And this pipeline uses the same tools we have been using since the beginning. So that would be Terraform, or actually now OpenTofu, and Ansible. And it takes care of the provisioning based on what has been defined for the target infrastructures. With the help of the Ops Mill team, we set up a typical scenario and simulated the delivery of an infrastructure with and without the Infrahub automation process we had in mind. And the figures are quite clear. I think it was something like 5 days to deploy with the old-fashioned way, and with the Infrahub automation process in place, it fell down to 15 minutes or so. That's the kind of figure that speaks to everybody. What I like the most in Infrahub is the fact that it's code-based through Git in the type of work we do, and because we try to do everything as code, it's a real plus because it is designed that way at the very core. And of course, with Git comes the concept of branches, and that is a game changer for me. I also particularly like the automatic artifact generation system that eliminates a large part of the development work required to produce this type of results because it's staying close to the data. Make Infrahub the cornerstone of your information system. Infrahub is much more than an inventory or even a simple source of truth. In my opinion, its true power lies in its automation capabilities.